Kia ora and welcome to Heapy's Tips and Tricks. In today's episode, we're going to look at creating your own classes in Hāpara. Please note, not every school or district has this button available in their Hāpara suite. Depending on how your district or school loads classes, this option may not be available. If you do have this button available, here are the steps you can take. First of all, in Manage Classes, select the Add New Class button. You may be prompted to choose to create a class or a Google Classroom sync. Choose to create a class to manually create a new class. Next, enter a class name and then select Add Class. On the class info page for the new class, click Add Learners to this class to add your students. Students can be added either individually or in a list. You can also add co-teachers by clicking Add New next to Teachers. If you have any questions, please reach out. Thanks for watching.